Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be giving you my review of this Uniqu light kit that I picked up. I saw it on Instagram and I wanted to try it because I needed a new setup because my ring light broke where I couldn't hold the phone anymore. So I picked this up. It was a little pricey. It was like $80 some, but it was worth every penny. So this is my overhead setup. Yeah, and so this is how you set it up with your phone. And I can do it the vertical way, and I can do horizontal. So this is vertical, but you know it's gonna be the 9x16 shot if you do it vertical. It also sits on the floor. It measures, it's about 30 inches tall. So yeah, so this is another shot. And so this is how it comes when you take it out of the box. You slide it up. I'm gonna slide it up just a minute when I get it right. Just push it. Yeah, slide it up. I realized my hand was ashy, so I'm gonna put a little lotion on. So I hope you guys are doing well. So you know Miss V on my channel, I do product reviews. When I purchase something, I like to come back and give you guys a review. So you open it up, just lift the top up, then this part comes out, and then right there. So it has a area right here that's locked and that's unlocked. So right now it's unlocked because it's real loose. So you're going to twist it until you get tension and it's locked in place. So this larger part, you can just pull it up. That's the part that raises up to 30 inches. It's hard for me to show it to you on camera because of the angle, but yeah. So I mainly want to show you the part I'm trying to show you the skinny part of the stand. That's the part that holds your phone. Just a minute. So this part right here, you see where the hardware is right there in the middle. That part folds over, and that's the part that holds your phone. And then this part, you can flip it up or you can flip it down. Flip it, it rotates. And it has a light on the top and it has a light on the bottom. And I'll show you the remote here shortly. And that's the part that holds the phone right there. So this is the remote. You Bluetooth it, connected to your phone. First of all, you can charge it just like you charge your cell phone. And then the bottom part that says camera, you hook it to your Bluetooth. That way, if you're far away from the display, you can just press camera and it'll just press record for you. So what I'm doing here now is holding the button down so I can turn the light on and show you that you have a overhead light and you have a light that's underhead, I guess you would say. Okay, that's the bottom light right there. And it's got like 3 different settings. So yeah, so I'm gonna play with the settings and show you the differences. So that's the overhead, the one at the top. And in order to turn the light off, you just hold it down until it goes off. So this is the other side of the light. And that's the bottom light. So it does the same thing. So yeah. That's it. And the little remote slides right there. And this is your phone holder. So that is it. It's very compact, easy to use. I like it. I've been using for about 3 weeks. So this is the overhead stand that I've been using to film my videos. I'm loving it. Let me know in the comment section if this is something you'll be interested in. Thank you.